What's up, guys? My name is Marco.
My name is Ali. Hello.
Welcome back to Gabriel Henrique singing Fly Like a Bird. Again, Mariah Carey, of course.
Of course. Of course.
Who else? Who else?
The usual suspects.
Yeah. And is there anything more to say about that, actually? It's like Mariah Carey, it's Gabriel Henrique, it's going to be amazing, and I can't wait.
It's known to
going
us,
to be just, oh my god, this is going to be fantastic. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
That was
I love
enough.
it. It's so cool.
Yeah, let's start.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is struggling.
Oh my god, what? What is that switch again? Please, Gabriel, what are you doing? How do you do this? Man. What's
So
happening?
efficiently. Yeah, it's crazy.
Up above, we know my heart is struggling. Free of all atrocities and so grand, because I feel that
Oh,
Feel it. Oh, amazing.
quick.
atrocities and so grand, because I feel that unconditional love from one who cares enough for me. True it is in my birthday, letting me free to fly like a bird. Take to the sky.
What is happening?
Damn,
wow.
Don't let the earth break me tonight. I need you, stranger. You by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, dude.
That's
He's just non-stop doing this stuff and right and
Yeah.
left. And I don't
This
even
is
know
what is gonna
what
be
is-
a showcase.
Oh, he already showcased everything, I guess. Like, no, not everything. There's still a lot to go on with Gabriel. Oh, dude. Okay. First of all, his runs and riffs, nothing to talk about anymore. It's insane how good
Out
they
of this
are.
world.
The switches in between, like, this different voice types and
Yeah.
how he mixes them is amazing, and he just showcases that again. But here also, like, the fast pace in which he does all that together is extra like surprising, not surprising, more like fascinating, I guess. Because like it's a very fast pace and he switches around so much, and it just seems like he comes up with it on the spot there. I don't know, man. It's so weird. It's amazing. Just like these tiny choices that he always does. It's just like it seems like it's on the spot. But you know,
Maybe.
let's just
you know,
continue.
never know.
You're right by my side. Keep your head up.
Oh, damn, that is power there.
Yeah, that's powerful.
Oh,
exactly.
man. So much power in that voice, too. I mean, what is
And
he...
look how he's looking afterwards. I'd be like, whoo.
Yeah.
And he's like, yeah.
Keep your head up.
Totally, yes. Ah, dude.
So crazy.
Oh, man. Oh, it's so high, dude.
We could love you so fast. I need you now. Please, the world.
Just, just a run. Just a quick run.
Oh, I'm out of frame. Oh, no. I'm out of frame, Ali.
Oh, no. I'm out of
It's
frame.
okay.
Out of luck. Just a quick run.
What?
Just a quick run. Nothing else.
Nothing to.
Taste the world, break me tonight. I pray you have to carry me home. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, what is this song?
I need you now.
No, okay, no. This is just a I don't know what he does. It's not a song. It's just like him showing off with everything he got, man. This is what's happening here? What's happening? Oh my God.
The song is just a byproduct.
How are you supposed to listen to any kind of lyric if he does that all the time? It's like, no, it's not possible. It's like dude, wow. Yeah. Okay.
Crazy.
Whew. Yes. Okay.
Of course.
Oh my God! Switch. I'm done with this. Like, what is stop switching that like that. Stop! It's so easy for you. How is it so easy for you? That makes us all like seem like what are we doing here? Why isn't he the only singer? Does no one need what?
No one needs anybody else.
Carry me
That's it. That's just it. It's like what?
The end. He's like back to normal. You know, nothing happened.
I know. He stands like this. Like okay,
Nothing
I
happened.
just did that. Next, please.
That was nothing. Next song.
Oh my God.
Crazy. Honestly, this was one of my favorites of him because it just
It's not a
showcased
song,
everything
man.
he can do.
It's not a song. It actually sounded like fly like a bird. Like a bird that's flying in like wind and storm and all that. It's like what is happening? That is crazy.
Crazy.
Wow. Okay. I'm getting sick from this, man. Like from all the greatness here. Oh, dude. Okay.
Crazy
That's
video.
Not a lot much left to say about Gabriel, and he just showed his versatility in such a short amount of time, and the way he can switch from one to the other. It's again insane. We've seen that before, but not like this, and that was so impressive. If you have more from Gabriel, please don't hesitate to just write down in the comments.
Yeah, please let us know.
He never gets old, never.
Doesn't yet.
And that's just wow. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and
Thank you.
see you next time.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.